Thank you for coming back to Polka Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a haul video for you, something a little different. I am unboxing a sampler. It is from Scrapbook and Cards Today. If you haven't heard of them, it's a Canadian company, and they have these monthly subscriptions that you can receive a taste of some new products that are coming out. The prices vary depending on how long you subscribe for, around $15 a month. This theme looks like this month is we all have magic inside us. So they give you a little outline of everything that's going to come in this little package, and let's just take a look. So it's very sparkly, very pretty magic, which I can look on here, and it probably comes from Blvd's Sweet and Spooky collection. And it looks like we've got some more little die cuts from that collection. Keeping it freaky. It's cute. Little Halloween sort of things. These are adorable. Congrats, just because, I'm sorry, and oh baby. Well, this boo obviously goes with that Halloween kit. I recognize these. These are ephemera from Maggie Holmes' Willow Lane collection. If you haven't seen already my video where we're doing the giveaway, you'll know my enthusiasm for Maggie Holmes products and her line from Willow Lane. That's fantastic. Very excited about that. Some stars, wonderful. Really nice. Watercolor panels sampler pack. Let's look and see what this is. Oh wow, life is better when you are smiling. So I guess this is a really nice paper to do watercoloring on. Pretty flowers, some holy night. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. That's something unique from Tailored Expressions. That's a company that has been frequently featured in this little sampler. Some Heidi Swapp stamps. They have actually started a new sampler that is just for stamps, so I don't know if it's started yet, but it's something that they're trying to do, and they're going to be I think just solely giving out stamps in that sampler. Merry Christmas from Fawn. Well, that'll be handy. Have to give that a try. That's nice. A little die cut. Word stickers, fantastic sayings. Perfect, looks like for a family, for a mom. This will be good for a planner. This will be good for just adding a little bit of interest to a cluster of embellishments. So then you get a little 6x6 sample of some pages. I believe these are 12x12 papers that they cut into these squares for you, so you can see what each of the pages looks like. So definitely a Halloween theme here for October. And then we're getting into the Willow Lane papers. Yeah, this is definitely a 12x12 because you can tell the edge. It's not 6x6. So that's nice because it gives you some of the bigger patterns. Lovely, so that's an example. I'll link down below Scrapbook and Cards website so that you can see where you get your sampler. They don't accept submissions, so you wouldn't be able to get this specific one for October. They have a cutoff for the next one, but I'll give you a link and then you can look and see what the next one is. You might be able to still get November or at least December. And yeah, thanks for watching.